product specialist for Inception. Today we're taking a look at compound hotkeys. In version 13 of Inception, you can tie multiple production cues or multiple MOS objects to one keyboard shortcut. We're starting in the configuration menu in the editorial tab where production cues are managed. You can either select an existing cue or create a new one. I already have a keyboard shortcut tied to my Take Package production cue. I want to use the same one for my Package Media Time production cue. I'll go ahead and select it and click Edit. From here, I can use the hotkey drop-down menu and select my desired keyboard shortcut, in this case, Ctrl-Alt-P. Now I can use the hotkey order field to determine what order my production cues will insert. 0 would come first, and 1 would come next. I'll type in 1 in my hotkey order field and click Save. Using my filter bar in the Production Cue tab, I can narrow my view of production cues to simply those containing the letters PKG. And I see here my two package production cues. Both have the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl-Alt-P. Take Package should go first. Package Media Time will come in next. Let's see how this works inside of a story. I'll open the story up on my workspace and use my keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-P. Inception has inserted my two production cues as desired. Now, what if I also wanted to tie MOS objects? This time, let's navigate to our MOS favorites by heading here to our MOS plugins drop-down menu and selecting the first option here, Favorites. I'll double-click and take this window full. I'd also like to insert a placeholder and overdrive server template using the same keyboard shortcut. Those need to exist as MOS favorites first. Here, using the hotkey column, I can select the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl-Alt-P for my MOS placeholder template, as well as for my overdrive template. Now I can use the hotkey order to determine which object should go first. Let's go back to a story. With my story open on my workspace, this time when I use Ctrl-Alt-P on my keyboard, I get not only my two production cues, but also my two MOS objects. That was a quick look at how to use compound hotkeys in Inception. If you have any other questions, feel free to visit our user forums or take a look at our help guide. Thanks for watching.